Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays or to reconnect your earbuds with the phone. Firstly, I recommend you to restart your audio player, maybe the problem with the player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend you to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. Next step is to check if you have the latest software version for your earbuds. So you need to open the Smart Connect application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and click at the pencil icon at the right top. Then at the last line we have device update line. You need to tap on it and check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with the phone, so I need to restart the phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And if it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, because firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device button or forget device or unpair or remove or maybe something else and forget device. Now at the back side of each earbud we have touch areas right here at the top, and you need to press 10 times simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to the remote automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing the channel and leave the like on video. See you later!